Hi students, this is Shalini, Assistant Professor of English, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss a famous novel, One Night at the Call Center, written by Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat was born on 22 April 1974. He is an Indian writer, Bollywood screenwriter, social media influencer, and motivational speaker. He was included in Time magazine's list of world's 100 most influential people in 2010. Bhagat holds degree in mechanical engineering, the MBA from prestigious Indian institutions like IIT and IIM respectively. He started his career as an investment banker but left it after a few years to pursue his passion in writing. He has written 8 novels and 3 non-fiction books. Right from the time his first best-selling novel, 5 Point Someone, was published in 2004. His subsequent novels have found a place on bestsellers list. Bhagat has even been accused of plagiarism for his novel One Indian Girl, a charge he has denied and rubbished the allegation as unfounded and deeply unfortunate. Some of his famous works, 5 Point Someone, One Night at the Call Center, The 3 Mistakes of My Life, 2 States, Revolution 2020, What Young India Wants, Half Girlfriend. The story revolves around 6 main characters, in that 3 are males and 3 are females. Shyam Mehra, Varun Malhotra, Military Uncle, Isha Singh, Radhika Jha and Priyanka. Shyam Mehra, call name Sam Mercy, he is the narrator of the story and we can say that he is the hero of the novel. Priyanka is the heroine of the novel. To be precise, Shyam's ex-girlfriend. Priyanka is an intelligent and a practical girl. Varun Malhotra, call name Victor Mel, is Shyam's friend. He loves bike and speeds, so friends call him Varun. Isha Singh, call name Elisa Singer, is the pretty face of the group and aspiring model. Radhika Jha, call name Regina Jones, is the only married one in the group. Military Uncle, who lives alone and having some problems with his son and grandson, but at the end he realizes his mistake and decides to apologize. Let's move on to the summary of the novel, One Night at the Call Center. The novel focuses on 6 employees who are working in the connection call center in Haryana. It takes place during the span of one night, in which all of the leading characters confront some aspect of themselves or their lives they would like to change. The story takes a dramatic and a decisive turn through a literal Deus Ex Machina when the characters get a phone call from God. The story begins with a train journey, Kanpur to Delhi. The beginning line of the novel is, "The night train ride from Kanpur to Delhi was the most memorable journey of my life." In this journey, writer meets to one beautiful girl. They talk to each other. At that time, the girl offers a story in one condition, that he has to make it his second book. The novel is about one night at the call center, in which there are 6 employees who are working over there. All of them are working in a same group in a call center. They are all different from each other, but they have a similarity in them, that all of them are fed up with their lives and their lives are very messy. The story is about a night at call center which changes the lives of all the people, not lives actually. It changes their way of thinking. It changes their way to deal with the problems of their lives. Shyam Mehra, narrator and the protagonist of the novel, he is very much confused in his life. He is very simple boy and loves Priyanka, who has got engaged with Ganesh Gupta, an NRI boy. Shyam is upset because Priyanka's engagement with Ganesh, and second thing is that he thinks that his boss has cheated him and his friend Varun. Varun is a friend of Shyam and does not want to do the job, but he wants to keep up his standard, so he has to work there. Priyanka's mother wants her to marry Ganesh next month, but she does not want. She still feels something for Shyam. Later on, Shyam tells her about the baldness of Ganesh, who hid this from her. Isha Singh or Elisa is an ambitious girl who wants to become a model. She runs away from house and joins call center in order to fulfill her dreams. She does many comprises, but she is buffed by a man who said that she is not suitable for being a model. Isha's life represents the ambitious middle class youth who are running after blind race of materialism. Radhika's call name is Regina Jones. She is not happy with her mother-in-law. She loves her husband a lot, but when she comes to know that on a radio program he selects another girl over her, she gets very upset. Military uncle is the oldest person in call center, but he is a lonely life. His heart cries for his grandson, but he gets more upset when his grandson asks him to stop mailing him. In this way, everyone who works in the call center they fed up with their life, but one night everyone receives a call from God. God motivates everyone and tells the way to handle their problems. He tells them not to get frustrated by the problems. After receiving the call, the life of everyone is changed. Everyone starts facing the problem with full of courage and finds out the best solution. At the end of the novel, Shyam finally gets his love, Priyanka, and she also refuses to get married to Ganesh, who hide his baldness. Isha starts working for NGOs. Military uncle also gets his family back at the end. In this way, the story of One Night at the Call Center is based on facts and fiction. This character represents the problem of middle class Indians. The story denotes the 6 different problems of the 6 different people. Priyanka represents the girl in India who has to follow the decision of parents at the matter of marriage. God gives a solution to it and tells her to believe in herself. Military uncle also represent old people who are ditched by the family, and it is a common and a serious problem in society. At the end, he also gets his family back. The story of the novel is very simple, but the call from God makes it interesting. All the characters in the novel are young except military uncle. The language of the novel is also very simple and very easy to understand. This novel represents the youth of the India and suffering there lives. Theme of the novel: cognizance, nationalism, Deus ex machina, human relations, love, sex, and also marriage. Thank you.